Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your real English level? In today's mixed grammar quiz, every question gets harder. And trust me, number 27 will confuse even advanced learners. Keep track of your score, and let's see how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Good luck. Can you choose the correct verb form? The correct answer is does. We use does with she, he, or in the present simple. Pick the correct pronoun. The correct answer is his or her. With each, use singular his or her for formal writing. Choose the adjective. The correct answer is cogent. Cogent means convincing and well-reasoned. Guess the verb tense. The correct answer is will have published. Future perfect for completed actions by a future date. Can you guess the correct one? The correct answer is holding. Postpone is followed by gerund. Nice start. Keep a scorecard ready. You're doing well. Transform this sentence into passive form. The correct answer is has been completed. Present perfect passive matches the active tense. What is the correct preposition? The correct answer is in. Proficient in is the correct preposition collocation. Guess the phrasal verb. The correct answer is go over. Go over means review carefully. What's the meaning of this idiom? The correct answer is to die, an informal idiom meaning to die or fail. Guess the correct answer. The correct answer is extensive. Extensive experience is correct collocation. How many did you get right so far? Count and keep going. You're almost at the midway point. What's the correct article here? The correct answer is the definite article for a specific position. Can you guess the correct one? The correct answer is has. With a singular noun, use singular verb has. What's the right answer? The correct answer is which. Non-restrictive clause uses which. Guess the correct collocation. The correct answer is substantial. Substantial contribution is the natural collocation. What is the correct comparative phrase? The correct answer is far more. Far more effective is idiomatic. Great momentum. Keep your focus. The quiz is heating up. Can you guess the right modal nuance? The correct answer is should. Should have expresses past obligation or regret. What's the correct meaning? The correct answer is a departure from the norm, an unexpected deviation. Pick the correct answer. The correct answer is as soon as. As soon as he arrived signals immediate sequence. Can you choose the correct one? The correct answer is B. After suggest, use the subjunctive be. What's the right answer? The correct answer is have. Rarely have I witnessed. Use is present perfect inversion. You're doing well, and stay focused for the next round. Can you pick the right answer? The correct answer is would come the next day. Change of tense and time expression in reported speech. What's the right one? The correct answer is implementation. Noun form implementation fits the context. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is to. Committed to is the correct phrase. Choose the correct meaning of impetuous. The correct answer is impulsive, acting without thinking. What's the right conditional sequence? The correct answer is had left. Amazing, you're past question 25. Drop your tally in the comments later and challenge a friend. Choose the right collocation. The correct answer is public. Raise public awareness is standard. Choose the verb pattern. The correct answer is forging. Admit is followed by a gerund. Choose the modal probability. The correct answer is must. Must expresses strong logical certainty. Choose the passive perfect. The correct answer is will have been read. Future perfect passive for completed action by future time. What's the right measure phrase? The correct answer is cups. Cups is the natural measure for servings. Final third. Stay focused. Only 10 more questions. Choose the right answer. The correct answer is has. Each requires a singular verb. Choose the right word form. The correct answer is submitted. Past participle used in passive construction. Choose the right phrasal verb. The correct answer is run through. Run through means check carefully. What's the meaning of this idiom? The correct answer is describe exactly, to be exactly right about something. Choose the right quantifier. The correct answer is little. Very little chance is correct. Nearly there. If you're on a streak, shout your score in the chat. Choose the contrast connector. The correct answer is although. although she had studied hard, shows contrast. What's the definition of catalyst? The correct answer is something that accelerates change. It speeds up a process. What's the right preposition? The correct answer is for. Apologize for is the standard preposition. Choose the correct subjunctive. The correct answer is were. Use were for hypothetical subjunctive with if. Which sentence is correct? The correct sentence is he doesn't like tea. Use doesn't plus the base verb like. Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.